Oh, it's so frustrating. This tile's thicker than that and they want it all flush. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Check it out. Easy, simple fix. Remember, if you want to bring thinner tile to meet thicker tile, use a notch trowel, trowel it out. When you mix the thin set, make a consistency where you trowel it out and it stays up, not loose. Kind of like peanut butter, but a little stiffer. Trowel it out, let it sit up the next day. You do these with liners and showers anywhere. You want to bring a little floor up, trowel some thin set, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch. Trowel it up and let it sit. That way you don't have to put board down or try to butter all the pieces up. It's just an easier and simpler way to get that thinner tile to meet existing thicker tile. Or if you want to bring your tile up to meet a subfloor or another floor that's out a little bit or whatever, or a dip, or just trowel some thin set and let it sit up. Let it get hard. Fill it in with the back of the trowel. Let that sit up, and then, man, it's perfect. No board. No, what am I going to do? I don't have to butter all the pieces and make it all work. This is 24 hours later. So, as you can see, I'm ready to go. In there, I'll put my decorative pieces. But as you can see, just to let you see the height difference? It's not a lot, but that lip right there, it's about 1/8 of an inch up. So when this all sits in there, it's going to be nice. It's going to be flush, like the owner requested. Well, the owner didn't request it. I demanded of myself. I try to get everything as beautiful and as flush and as perfect as I can get it. Because that's how you set tile. So far, so good. Our masterpiece is working good. As you can tell, check it out. Nice and flush. Nice and flush. I'll take the picture when I'm done. I don't know why I'm speaking Italian. I feel like a master pie. Ah. Dude, you're losing it. Get back to work. I know. I would have to say this towel came out perfectly flush. It's a little trick I showed you. It was simple, nice and easy. So keep watching my videos. Hit the subscribe, hit the notice, and hit the like. Because I like making videos for you. I like helping people out. So you have a great day and a blessed day. And I'm out of here to the next time.